You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to say minutes, but in French, so you can see that the spelling is the same. We're going to be looking at how to say more French vocabulary as well that is useful. Stay tuned to learn more. Minute. As is usual, the S at the end is silent, so essentially several minutes or 1 minute is going to be pronounced the same. Minute. Une minute is going to be 1 minute, it's feminine, or des minutes, or plusieurs minutes, several minutes. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.